Hi, Swathi.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes.
Before starting that, congratulations, Swati, for your placements.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Swati, can you introduce about yourself and about your native?
Ma'am, my name is Swathi. I am from Davangere. I graduated from BIT College.
Okay, like how you got to know about CMTI?
About CMTI, I got to know from the Instagram, social media network, uh, and recommendations.
Okay, that's nice. Like course you have chosen in CMTI, which course you did?
I took a BIM plus CACM course.
Okay, like how was your site visits? Where all you went?
Site visits, we went for BGRT, for Victoria Hospital, for Execon exhibition, and we went for showroom visits, Home Lane, Design Cafe.
Yeah, that's nice. Like, how was your trainer support towards you? How they guided you?
Support was good ma'am throughout the course.
Okay, like how was software sessions held? Which are the softwares you have learned?
I've learned AutoCAD, SketchUp, and Revit.
Okay, how was your placement procedures? How you cracked it?
About the placement procedure, HR ma'am asked about there was an opening, and asked whether we will attend or not. I took the chance and I attended the interview, and I got selected.
Okay, how many companies you have attended?
Companies, only one company I've attended.
Yeah, that's nice. For the first company only you have selected. Okay, can I know your role? Which role you have selected for?
QS room.
Yes, okay. Like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors?
CMTI is good. You can get the training for the subjects related to the industry requirements, and you can gain the knowledge here about how it is, and you can get the job opportunities as well. You will get the guidance also, which is very important for a fresher.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you, Swati, for your feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, congratulations for your placements. Have a bright future.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.